where the wheels go. Kentucky ADV, he's got the throttle down, never slow. In the mountains, through the trees, riding high, no time for ease. Camera rolling, capturing every twist, every breeze. Ride on adventure, never stop. Through the valleys, to the top. Packing miles, making dreams, living life in high beam. From the desert to the shore, pushing harder, wanting more. Kentucky ADV, he's strong, on his bike where he belongs. Every sunrise he's awake, gearing up, no breath to take. Chasing freedom wheel by wheel, living life and keeping real. Ride on adventure, never stop. Through the valleys to the top. Packing miles, making dreams, living life in high beam. Ride on adventure, never stop. Through the valleys to the top. Packing miles, making dreams, living life in high beam. In high beam. In high beam. In high beam. Hearing up, no breath to take. Living life in high beam. Living life in high beam. Living life in high beam.
Sky is blue and lanes are open, wind in my hair as I keep rolling. Kentucky lights, a wide horizon, adventure calls, non-stop rising. He rides with passion, speeding fast, every road's a blast, won't be the last. Cameras rolling, moments flash, Kentucky ADV, living in the dash. Ride with Kentucky on our screen, journey in places so serene. He knows the roads, the trails unseen, adventure life, living the dream.